I've been playing around with this advent kit, and it is such a creative way to get girls involved in STEM. It comes with all the supplies you need, and you simply take your water, add it, and then you choose the color combinations that you want. So it does have guidelines of color mixing. For simplicity, I'm just going to start with the red drops because I'd like to do shades of pink. And I think this is a good way to teach coloring. You use one drop and it's going to be a light pink. Use more and more and more and you'll get a more saturated color. Just basics of colors and science. It's so neat. And you get 24 days to play with it. So you can make a unique color match every single day. That's a great way to combine science and chemistry, but it's interactive and it's fun. It's a great bonding activity because you have dye. I wouldn't do it, by yourself. But each day, little different kind of inserts come that you add into a unique plastic bottle for the day. Here there are a couple butterflies and metal leaves. It does come with a funnel for pouring it in and a cork for sealing things shut. To finish, you add the potion that you've mixed up and then you cork it on top so everything stays nice and tight. The final touch, if you prefer, is it does come with a sticker each day so you can label it. But as you can see the butterfly or the contents nice and easily. And overall, it's just a lot of creativity, a lot of flexibility for your creative genius to make this however they want. It does have some color guidelines as well as the step-by-step directions. For example, yellow and blue make green today. So it does add the basic steps and directions should your kiddo benefit from that. As far as the advent calendar goes, simply just open each day and underneath there will be a bag containing all the contents of the day. The rest of it is included. So I'll show you. Here are each of the individual bags. This day includes the beaker and multiple colorful plastic beads. The next day includes a separate beaker and kind of a seafoam green glitter. The next day has a glitter, and the next day includes stones and rocks. It's kind of hard to see with this. There you go. And the next day, like a unicorn horn and more butterfly wings. So lots of versatility with this. Overall, 24 days of hands-on DIY science fun. I think this is great activity to do with your kids. It's a fun, unique holiday countdown alternative. Definitely sparks creativity, imagination. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.